Is silver coiling for its next explosive move? The precious metal has been a hot topic, showing significant strength, but now it's at a critical crossroads. Let's break down the key levels you need to be watching. Looking at the bigger picture, the sentiment for silver is overwhelmingly bullish. We're seeing a consistent uptrend on the charts, with the price making higher highs and higher lows. Many analysts are calling this a healthy pullback or a final retest before the next major leg up. Fundamentally, there's talk of a supply squeeze and strong investor demand fueling this move, with some major financial institutions projecting a rally towards the $40 mark and beyond. So, where are the key battlegrounds for traders right now? Currently, the price is pulling back from recent highs. For the bulls, the major support level to watch is around $37.50. This was a previous resistance that now appears to flip to support. A successful hold here could be seen as a prime buying opportunity, with traders targeting $39.20 and then that big psychological $40 level. If that $37.50 level doesn't hold, the next line of defense sits around $37.30. On the other side, short-term sellers see an opportunity. The area around $38 is acting as immediate resistance. Some charts indicate a potential short-term sell-off from this zone, targeting the supports we just mentioned. A decisive failure to break through the ceiling could see the price pushed back down. A break below $37.30 would strengthen the bearish case for a deeper correction. To sum it up, the long-term trend for silver looks strong and upward. The current price action seems to be a consolidation within this larger uptrend. The key pivot point is $37.50. A bounce from this level strengthens the bullish case for a run towards $40. However, a decisive break below it could invite more selling pressure in the short term. The big question is whether this is just a pause for breath or the start of a more significant decline. Keep a close eye on those key levels as they will likely dictate silver's next major move.